I am back. I've just realised that literally every video that I filmed has been wearing this dressing gown, but I literally just can't take it off. It's so snuggly and cosy and I just can't take it off. So today I thought I would quickly, that is makeup, I thought I'd quickly film my how I do my slick back bun, because I am constantly asked. It's because it's all I really wear in my videos now, especially on TikTok. I just feel like I don't really look very nice with my hair down anymore. I don't know, I just really like it. So I would say for this hairstyle, your hair needs to be dirty. Like, we are talking, okay, hair needs to be dirty. So my hair I washed on Sunday and we are now on Wednesday. So okay, the first thing you're going to do is take your hair and pull it just into like a rough ponytail. You're then going to need one of these brushes. I'm pretty sure I either got this from Primark or Wilko. It's like £1. And then just start brushing your hair into the position that you want. I normally do a middle parting and then I take from like here and just do back. So it's like a quarter middle parting, and then just start getting all of the hair where you want it. I then take a hairband, just a regular like bobble, and just secure that, like, it doesn't need to be tight. I just do like 3 goes round into a ponytail. I then grab whatever mousse I'm using at the moment. I've had this one for ages just because it's absolutely massive and it's still got quite a lot in it. But it's a 10 Miracle Styling Mousse. I really like this one. Yeah, a lot of people do like a crown of mousse on their hair. I don't think you need that much mousse. It just makes your hair look wet and greasy. So I just start with a little bit, and then this is what you really need. I'm pretty sure these are called boar bristle brushes. I think I got mine from Amazon. It was like £7. Mine has loads of hair on it. And then you want to just start brushing that mousse in. This is what really smooths everything down. And just start brushing everything so it's nice and smooth, and then make sure you get this top bit because I always get bumps there. And then as you can see, like, it all gathers at the back. So now you want to take your hairband out and then re-secure once you've brushed everything out. Make sure you get like the bottom, the nape of your neck as well. And then secure that in place. I'm going to do this one tight now. And then that is the ponytail. Sometimes I just leave the ponytail. I think it looks quite cute. But if you want to do the bun, just take another hairband, twirl the hair, twirl it around itself until you get the end, and then you can either just stick the end up or poke it in. Mine's a bit short so you can't actually really see it, but that is what it looks like. And then I wouldn't really recommend brushing it again once your hair is up, but if you want, you can just smooth all those little edges. If you want to add like more mousse to it, you can, but I think we have enough in. So yeah, that is how I do my everyday bun that I wear in a lot of my videos. It's literally so quick and easy, and I feel like it gives you like a little mini facelift, which is why I like it so much. I will link all the products below and the brushes that I've used, and I really hope this was helpful. Yeah,